Hello my dear friends, welcome back again in the new video of power learning channel. So in today's video we will got very good information about diesel generator alternators, how they are producing electricity and how they are working and how they are producing electricity. So in today's video I will show you a complete setup of a workshop where we are doing all this repairing works. So here you see this is one of the alternator which we dismantle from the engine. This alternator is working on crusher plant, and in crusher plants we have very harsh environment where we have dust, a lot of dust which is entering every day in the alternator, because mostly customers I see they are just changing oil, changing filters, but they are not concentrating on the alternator side. Alternator is also very important part of the engine. If engine is working and alternator is not working, so you are not able to get any electrical power. So we need to take care about all complete engine, how they are working. And as you see, this is the complete workshop setup here we have here in Saudi Arabia. So if you are looking for any repair for any generator, alternator or any kind of compressor repair, you can contact us. This is only premium video, this is only for premium members of power learning channel. So here if you see, this is one generator, we bring it in our workshop and we dismantle the alternator, and only now the engine is working as a prime mover and only producing mechanical power. If you see here, this is called flywheel. Okay, the flywheel moving off once the crankshaft is moving in the engine. So the coupling plate of the alternator is connected here, and this is called the main stator. Here if you see here, I will show you this plate, this is called coupling. Okay, this our today's question is how the alternator is producing electricity. This is main stator, okay, where all the three-phase windings are installed. If you see here, this is three-phase winding 120-degree apart from each other. Okay, they are installed and fixed here, and insulation provided, and so they are protected here. And these are the main cables where we connect our load cables, and we are using, and this is called the exciter stator. This is main stator, this is exciter stator. Okay, if you see, it's all set of windings are installed here, this all connection in series. Okay, so this exciter stator, how it's working, if you see, this is called main rotor. Okay, where we have windings, 4 windings. If you see here, 1 2 3 and 4, these 4 windings, how it is working, these are 4 poles, that's why it is called 4 pole, and this is called rotor exciter rotor. Okay, exciter rotor is producing 3-phase AC. Okay, 3-phase AC is producing here. And if you see, this is main stator winding, and this is output windings of from the main stator. So how the electricity is produced, this is 4 poles, 1 2 3 4, this 4 pole, these parts are producing electromagnet. Here we have 4 pole, 2 north pole, 2 south pole, this is called 1 pole, this is another pole, this is 3rd pole, this is 4th pole. So both 2 are north and both 2 are south. And here you see, this is 3-phase winding connected, making connected with the diodes. Okay, when these diodes are energized by 3-phase, it will convert this 3-phase AC into DC. Okay, and this DC supply going to our main router, this main router. Okay, this main router then produce electromagnet. Okay, if you don't see my other videos, you can watch and you can learn more about it. Okay, and after, once the router is moving inside the stator, the electricity is produced in the main stator windings. Okay, in the main stator winding, in these cables. Okay, if you see here, this cable, and here you see, this is the flywheel, which is just producing mechanical power. Only from the engine we are getting the mechanical power. Okay, now here you see, this is 600 kilowatt Caterpillar. This is damaged by customer due to crusher plant, okay, because they are not making any maintenance. Too much dust we found inside. As you see, here is a short circuit. The short circuit is not due to unbalancing. The short circuit on the top side, and here you see this is the rotor exciter. If you see here, all windings, but you see how much is dirty, all the dust inside, if you don't make your alternator continuously cleaning or repairing or varnishing or check the major test, you will get the results like this. And this part is coupling, which is coupled with the engine and moving, okay, as I explained you previously in the video. And this 4-pole rotor, again the same 4-pole rotor, this 4-pole rotor is making electromagnetic field when it is moving inside the alternator. Here you see one more alternator. This is McCulty is made in Italy. This is European alternator, okay. If you see here, the same flywheel, this is called fan, this is cooling fan, okay. This cooling fan, here we have terminals for power terminals. Here we will connect our power cables, okay. And here you see this is exciter stator and exciter rotor inside the alternator, okay. We completely clean and make the new windings of this alternator. Now it is ready for delivery. And if you have any kind of this work, like motor repairs, like alternator repair, like compressor winding repair, you can contact us. Here you see another one. This is Linz is, I think, also European, but I don't know the actual country, okay. So this is Linz. We are making all kind of alternators. Here you see workshop. This workshop, we have all kinds of tools we are doing here, all kinds of repair work. We have many technicians, everything full team is trained and all. So if you are living in Saudi Arabia and you are looking for reliable generator maintenance or repairing services, please contact us. Comment your number and we will contact you back. Thank you very much.